Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to send apps on WhatsApp. So if you also want to send apps on WhatsApp, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is open Google Play Store. Once you open it, all you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to see the search bar. All you have to do is tap on it. Now simply search for the app of your choice. For example, I'm searching for Blue Sky over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the application over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now that particular application will be opened. At top right corner, you'll be able to see three dots. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see two options over here. What you have to do is tap on the option share. Now you'll be able to share this application. You can also copy the link if you want, or you can also directly share to WhatsApp. What you have to do is find the option for WhatsApp. After that, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now simply tap on the chat of the person to whom you want to send the application. Now tap on the send icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now that particular chat will be opened. Simply hit the send button. Now whenever they'll tap on this link, that particular application will be opened on Google Play Store. So that is how you send apps on WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.